Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank, Mech is the man behind the camera, and in today's video, we're going to be deep cleaning and detailing the engine bay of the S80 T6. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any upload from Tank Garage. So today we're going to be using the same product that we used to clean the engine bay on the R. This Adams Polish all-purpose cleaner did an amazing job, and we're going to give it a go. The T6 engine bay is actually way dirtier than my S60R bay engine, so let's see if it actually does a good job and it holds the test of this dirty engine bay detail.
Why don't we take it to another level? We're just stuck here in the middle. We promised we would never settle. I need more than half of your heart. Take a look to another level, another level. Oh, oh, another level, another level. Oh, oh, another level, another level. Take it to another level. Why don't we take it to another level? It feels like we're just stuck here in the middle. Remember how we promised we would never settle.
And now it's time to show you guys the final result. Alright guys, so the product did an absolutely outstanding job once again. This is absolutely amazing. Great final results, and we'll probably keep using that products for all of our builds. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Frank, Mech is the man behind the camera. Make sure you subscribe, follow the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See ya, boys.